Hi everyone, welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rename a file on Google Docs. So just follow the steps that I'm about to tell you. So the first step is open your Google Docs app on your phone. And then here click on the file that you want to rename. For example, I want to change this file, the name of this file. There are two steps that you can follow. So the first step is just you can just click on the three dots icon at the right side of the file name, and then scroll down until you find the rename option here. Just like that, you can just rename the file, and if you're done, just click on this. Or the second step is you need to open the app first, the file first, and then click on the name of the file at the top, and just like that you can rename the file just like that, and then click on OK. Okay, so done and done. That is how you can rename the file on Google Docs. Okay, that's all for me. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.